Hi friends, after a long time I will making one video about post market video. Okay, tomorrow is Monday, that's why I will make one video. What happens in market? What will happens in market? So fundamentally, what will happening in market? So I will show you today fundamentally what are doing market. Okay, let's start the video. Please subscribe if you like my video. Okay, let's start anything game. So I simply go in forex factory to see what happens in market. So previous week you will focus on calendar. I will already posted in my telegram channel, you can see there. So also I will give the telegram channel link in my description. So if you want to join, you can join. Okay, no problem. So I will go previous week. Okay, you can see here there is a lot of red news here. Okay, I will not say you directly trade when this news come. I will say you how to use this news to future market to trade. Okay, fundamentally is very a powerful tool to trade in forex. Okay, without fundamental market will not move correctly. Okay, there is a reason to move market. There is a fundamentally and sentimentally to go with down or upside. Okay, you can see CB consumer confidence means consumer confidence of US is down about, you can see here. So what is CB consumer confidence? The purchasing power of consumers, how consumers spending in market. Okay, this data is negative. Okay, already there is a rise recession start in market. So this is also support to the market. Recession may be started or net to be started. I think recession is already started in market. That's why market will S&P and also Indian market, stock market also down here. Okay, you can see here previous is 13.2, forecast is 100 and actual came out 98.7. Okay, this data is 40-month low. I think 40-month low data. Okay, 98.7. This is negative to stock market. It means Federal Reserve already said, Fed poll is already said, economic growth is very strong. So there is not recession, but data shows recession is starting. Okay, there is a strong divergence between market expectations and FOMC meetings. Okay, these are the FOMC meetings are here. OPEC already there is no conclusion here. OPEC says next month maybe 1 million per million barrel maybe supply issue. So there is no changes here. Okay, core PC also 1% is down. Okay, there is a lot of interest rate aggressively push the interest rate, maybe that is personal spending is low. Okay, also euro CPI plus estimated yearly estimated is rising 8.6%. Already in this ECB President Lagarde says we have to wait for next Friday CPI what will happen. So this is rises. So speculation is already in euro that already says September is first hike 25 to 50 bps. So also this support to euro. Okay, you can go with euro is buy. Okay, euro and there is any weakness currency you can buy. Okay, already ISM manufacturing PMI already is showing negative, so also it support to recession. Okay, 53.0. Okay, 50, 53. You can see 53 is very low. I think it is the low data compared to 1 year low data. You can see here 53. Okay, 1 year low data is this is 53. Okay, these are the previous events to what will happen in microeconomics. You can see here. Okay, in next coming months is here CHF CPI monthly. Already say CHF bank of Swiss bank already said if CPI is not controlled, we will move aggressively. Another 25 PPS rate hike is coming, so you have to seeing this what will happen this CPI monthly. Okay, and Tuesday odd cash rate is already here 1.35 to 85 percentage. So I think they only 50 PPS hike is coming. The market is expectation is not TPS 75 to 85 PPS. So I think it is negative to R. Okay, already there is a job openings. If there is any job decline in market, also that is showing this recession. Also there is a FOMC meeting minutes. So what we will discuss about more future meetings, they will discuss here. Also there is a ADP non-farm employment. If it is negative, that shows recession is starting. So all data is all expectation is here. You can see non-farm employment change. If there is any decline in market, stock market 100% will down in this market. So also Indian market is also down. Bank Nifty, so Nifty 50 this line. Okay, we will focus this news. So this is this week news. Okay, we will focus. So I will show some setups. You can try it. Okay, I will show some setup. You can use your trading. I think there is maybe there is a risk of sentiment is coming here. So JPY and USD CHF is also strengthening. Okay, trading is not a easy method. You have to easy this method. This is the toughest method. You have to easy this method. You always your choice. There is a GBP out. There is one setup is here. You can try. Okay. So according to fundamentally, GBP is compared to ARD, GBP is very aggressive to increase in interest rate, but not ARD is not aggressive because they already say there is a next month CPI is available. According to they move in interest rate. So GBP is already said aggressively interest rate rise because the previous this month CPI is 9.1%. So there is a huge inflation is there. So that's why I will show you fundamentally is very strong this BPP to compare to R. Okay, you can see here there is a lot of liquidity here. Okay, there is a lot of liquidity here. One day chart. I will go for 4-hour chart. You can see okay, there you can see here there is a lot of liquidity here. Okay, okay, I will see in 1 hour. You can see here there is a Wickoff method. You can see here there is a wake up method is here. There is a spring available with low volume. Okay, and we need to, there is a one supply area is demand area is here. You can see here, and there is a demand area is here. This red candle is the demand area, last demand area to push this upside. Okay, last sellers to go it upside. There is an institutional candle here. So I will recommend you, when market come here, you will open your pending order, stop loss, this stop loss. Okay, you can set the take profit. To this or this, you can set here. I think better to go with this. Okay, if market come here, you can take trade. Okay, your pending order price will be 1.7638. okay, your stop loss will be 1.7604. your take profit would be your choice. I will recommend you 1.8185. okay, so I will this is a buy signal GBP. Okay, we have to calculate risk reward. What is risk? We will take 32 pip risk, 32 pip risk. Okay, and we have to calculate our take profit. You can see take profit is 542 pip. Okay, you can calculate it here. 3 so 1 raised to 50 risk is here. Only 1% is risk, 30 pip is risk. If you win, you will win 543 pip. According to fundamentally is very strong GBP. Already market is changing here. There is a lot of what it called, lot of liquidity is here. Okay, there is a small wick up is here. So I will recommend you buy this trade. If you lose only 30 pip, if you win $500, and also you can set your profit according to your choice. Okay, thank you. Okay, we will focus this news this week. Okay, we have to focus this news. I will not recommend you trade when this news release. That is not recommended because there is a lot of volatility and wicks are here. We can easily lose there is money. So I will hope you will understand what I will say you. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like my video. Okay, I will only subscribe who like my video. I will not say every person to subscribe my channel. If you like my working to in this way, please subscribe. Thank you. We will see again in next week Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.